Hello everyone. So today I want to talk to you about an incredible herbal remedy that has shown great efficacy in treating allergic cough and cold. Respirate syrup. Respirate syrup is a powerful blend of natural herbs designed to relieve productive cough and support overall respiratory health. This syrup is particularly beneficial in managing various respiratory disorders such as cough, cold, and various kinds of fever. It is also useful in infective respiratory diseases. One of the key components of respirate syrup is tulsi, which is also known as holy basil. Tulsi is renowned for its ability to strengthen the immune system and to combat various respiratory infections. Pimpli is another such essential herb which is used in the syrup, which helps to clear mucus from the respiratory tract. It makes breathing easier. Sunthi or dried ginger is another significant ingredient. Sunthi is well known for its anti-inflammatory properties and its ability to soothe the respiratory tract. It helps in reducing cough and congestion. Yashti Madhu or licorice root complements these effects by acting as a natural expectorant, helping to expel mucus and to ease breathing. Moreover, the syrup contains parijat, a herb which is celebrated for its antipyretic properties. Parijat is highly effective in reducing fevers, making it an invaluable component in treating various kinds of fevers associated with respiratory infections. So, Respirate syrup is an ideal solution for managing allergic cough, colds, and other respiratory issues. The synergistic effect of these potent herbs not only alleviates symptoms, but it also helps in enhancing overall respiratory health. So I would suggest you to consider Respirate syrup as a natural and effective option for respiratory care.